All right, good morning, Acadiana. Happy Thursday, everyone. Let's get a check on your forecast right now, starting off with the view of the Church Point Cam. It is nice and quiet outside this morning. Clear skies with the exception of a couple little taller clouds off in the distance. Those are some early morning showers that we're seeing in a couple spots down towards the coast, as well as some showers that are farther north, just behind the banner there up towards Natchez, Mississippi. Everywhere else, it is pretty quiet outside early this morning. We are waking up to just a little bit of fog farther north along I-49 as you get into St. Landry and Evangeline Parish. We got visibility to 1.5 miles in Ville Platte and Opelousas. So not terribly dense fog, but some fog nonetheless. Looking like the I-10 corridor is fine fog-wise with no visibility issues there. It is pretty warm to start. We've got 78 the temperature now in Lafayette, 80 in Intercoastal City. Down towards the coast, you get some pretty warm temperatures overnight. 76 in Ville Platte and Opelousas. Most of us going to see another hot, humid day with a couple of pop-up thunderstorms here and there. This is what the rain coverage looks like for yesterday, and this is what we mean when we say spotty thunderstorms or hit or miss showers and storms. This is what that looks like. Some heavy downpours in a couple spots, other places getting not so much. This is how it goes this time of year. When it's hot and it's humid, it gets a little stormy in the afternoon, and I think that's going to not change all that much for today. Temperatures will get up to the lower 90s. It could be hotter though, and it will be farther west. They're getting into the mid 90s to low 100s farther west in Texas. Meanwhile, we're going to keep with near average temperatures for this time of year in the lower 90s for today. When you factor in humidity, that's going to feel more like the lower 100s at times for this afternoon. Here's a look at that futurecast showing those pop-up summer downpours as early as around lunchtime today for folks farther south and then farther north by mid-afternoon and into the early evening. But the rain coverage, again, pretty spotty, not a complete washout. Some folks will get some heavy downpours, other folks not so much. I put our rain chance probably around 40% for today. That will dissipate by around 10 o'clock and into tomorrow. Same story, possibly a couple early morning showers, and then the rain coverage really ramps up by around mid-afternoon. It's going to be hot. It's going to be humid again with, again, this feels like temperatures into the low to mid 100s for Friday afternoon. The rain amounts look to be fairly light over the next 5 days, an inch or less, and they'll be pretty unevenly distributed. Of course, we're watching the tropics for you. You've got Tropical Storm Aaron out there in the central Atlantic. This is going to curve, though, towards the east. It will follow the Bermuda High, which is right there. That's what acts as the steering currents for storms in this general basin. So this will miss the Gulf, move towards the east coast, probably not make landfall anywhere towards the east coast. It looks unlikely, but thankfully nothing we need to worry about. We do have one little area of interest there that is west of the Yucatan in the southern Gulf near the Bay of Campeche, but that will, at least for the moment, not really be anything we need to be concerned with. Just a low chance of development with that. So in the meantime, it's going to stay more of the same. Hot, humid, and stormy weather ahead for the rest of your 7-day forecast. Rain chances hovering around 40 to 50% today, tomorrow, and Saturday, dropping down to 20% by Sunday, Monday, Tuesday with highs in the mid-90s.